Probably whenever Philip was describing the trading strategy of following trends, I would have been a contra trader, which is going against the market or the trends. And so I think it was actually, no, don't do that, to go within the trend and how to spot the trends. So yeah, that would be it.
The charts, the chart view, understanding the trend lines, that was really insightful. Definitely the open, high, low, close charts, yeah.
Not the hard sell, and you've explained everything in great detail, and anything that anybody didn't understand, he went over it again.
I don't want to seem like everything, but really everything, because like I said, I'm really starting up now, and I knew some of the things, but he did cover stuff like leverage and margin, and he made it way more approachable than what I've heard from YouTube by now.